Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap to connected devices. Here click to connection preferences, and now we'll see here the NFC switcher. Just to turn it on, click once on the switcher, and if you want to turn it off, click on the switcher again. Also we can see the NFC icon visible or invisible on the status bar here. So let's just also activate and turn off the NFC by the second way. So first open the notification panel, and here click on the edit icon. Now just to add the NFC icon, hold the icon and drag it here to the app section, and after that just go back, and now just by click once on the NFC icon we can turn it on, and to click here again we can turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.